Oh, friggin' right. Just a beauty day for an undercurtain. Got a guy coming. You best be careful though. Got Blasty McBlastenstein over there just letting loose on the old firearm tech in the park, like they do. Like they friggin' do. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Smoking cigarettes? Pardon me?
Looks like a big party down there.
Oh yeah, shoot 'em up fast, big time. Roll your window up or it'll be undercurted inside too. It's like a Ford's exhaust at the corner there. Just pissing liquid. I apologize.
Badass voice.
Yeah, way fucking better than the other one. Wouldn't have stood a chance. Well, the other one might have lifted that truck, but I wouldn't have liked it. Really seal the mud and dirt and shit in there for you. Uh-oh. What the fuck's happening there? We'll get her 3 ways or another. We'll figure it out. 3 ways or another. Always gotta have a backup plan. Ugh, oh, you fucking guys.
Yeah, weird shit happens in college, man.
Oh,
whoa.
Me okay. I never went.
I went for 1 year and dropped out.
Yeah, I would too if things like that happened to me.
Got an apprenticeship because school's gay.
Because school's gay? If you're doing shit like that, I could see why you'd think that.
I went to high school with the other 2 people, so.
That you were fucking?
Yeah.
Dudes?
No.
Oh. Oh, goodness gracious. One more thing on the list. Nelson's coming Monday. Should have came fucking yesterday. We're just having fixing the shit out of it. Oh, different type of the magical's really bad. Really bad. I had to quit that. It was getting up me. Hey, it was getting up me like a 3-way in college, for fuck's sakes. What happened? That's terrible. That's horrible that happened to you. You want to rub that anywhere else?
Yeah, you can rub it somewhere. Want me to pull down my pants this time?
Oh, infection.
You got any tires for sale?
All type of them. You have to go rummaging those, see if there's any you like, but
I need some fucking
265, 75, 16, there might be some. Wow, that was a good undercurtain, that one. Holy suffering. Yeah, the pump's fucked. Another fucking item for the list, boys. Holy shit. What are we gonna do?
See, I got $1,300 in this thing. It's not bad.
Oh fuck yeah, for a diesel truck, you're laughing. What is it, 1-wheel drive?
Yep.
That's perfect.
We're gonna put a 5-speed in it, I'll tell you that though.
Yeah, fuck, we should go hang out and play some gunplay with the fire dicks there. Really get our blast on, you know what I mean?
We'll probably shoot you.
Oh, probably. There's some 215 85 16s right there, bud. Fucking mint beauties. Those will fit right on your son of a bitch. 4 of them right there. Only slightly weather cracked. I'll just turn that one over. Show you the other side. We're good. Maybe $20 each.
Yeah, I think I might have enough money on it. I got $90.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
That's like the exact amount.
Yeah, I'll fucking take these, I guess. They're not that bad. As long as they fucking hold air. They make them out of plastic and they just break off.
They just snap right off. You're trying to get out. You're trying to just claw your way out and fucking see like a couple dudes to do a 3-way with or something. You can't get out fast enough. Next thing you know, you snap your door handle off. Now you can't get out at all. Maybe I should have went to college.
Got some good winter weight in here.
Just plunge it up somebody terribly. What's that, a tractor head? Not even the slightest bit of Santas action happening fucking up to this point at all.
Yeah, I should probably strap that down before it kills me.
Yeah. Do a rollover and it goes through the back of the old skull tack. Yes, sir. Oh, fuck, I'd love one, but...
You gotta get a bunch of views. You fucking smoke a
I would, that'd be it. I'd have a fuck of a time getting off them again. Quit them 3 or 4 times, and I just like, oh, I'll just have one. Next thing you know, on the fucking cigarettes big time, you know?
Oh, not good.
No, fuck no. Oh, good. Yeah, that's my cue, boys. Have a good day. Right on. Appreciate it. Yep, come by and fucking spend more money sometimes. You best. You best. Have a good one. Oh goodness, I just got fucking sharded on. Eh? Oh, that's my cue. Right there. Quit. Quit, you guys. 3-way in with dudes and fucking farting. He probably wanted me to push it in. Eh? He's like, if I fart, he'll push it in. We best see if it lights. Oh my goodness, poor Ford. All it had into it. Half a squeak. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. That wheel was lopsided as frig. Holy shit. I gotta go inside. They're blasting off guns relentless in Inwood. All they gotta do is just change the direction of the freaking velocity of the stovepipe, and next thing you know, pew, pug one's blasted. Okay. Oh, it was an accident. Nobody's held accountable. Fucking splendid. Okay. I'm fucking dead. Nobody's held accountable. And how much running I come?
I got cinnamon buns in the oven right now.
Are you feeling a little better now that you can piss a little bit? Huh? Poor babies. Poor babies. Poor babies every time. There you are. You're a scientist. What happened?
Inwood Customs?
Casapini?
Yeah.
Bringing the police yes?
No.
What's going on?
How you doing?
Not too bad.
Well, it's warm as fuck, but going into high idle like it's cold. And I'm thinking because this fucking cocksucker's hanging down right here. You ever seen that come off?
Whoa! Yeah, that's what it is. Full clutch fan, full apart. Wow, that's awesome.
The fan itself looks like it's been...
Yeah.
I'll have to make sure I count the paint.
We got an extra one.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness gracious.
You get that little red truck.
Oh, I fucking, you know, the brake pedal's fucked on that one, so I bought that one, but it's a 98 and it's different.
Are you kidding?
Well, it's got the 97, 94 to 97 has like a thing with a cable going to it, and this one has like a metal rod, so it's just where it's the same, just where it's instead of a cable end, it's got the rod end, so it's just different. So I'm gonna have to put a fucking coat hanger in there with a wooden.
One Mike had in Hamilton.
I'm not sure. I think it was a 12 valve, so it's going to be a 94 to 97. Oh, shit. Oh, how you doing?
Little doorbell there. I haven't seen one like it before.
Yeah. What's really going on?
Right. What's that?
Oh, it says what's really going on.
You?
Fucking gunplay, some terrible in Inwood today. Right over at the park. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice plate.
Yeah, I had that one made up.
Oh, look, it's at the cops.
Shooting over there terrible.
What are you ringing the doorbell for?
I don't know. I got a doorbell.
I thought it was the fucking cops. I seen this cop SUV drive by like fucking 10 minutes ago, and then I'm looking up the fucking, what the fuck is that? Is that the cops here? Holy
You're shooting
fuck,
out there.
dude. Oh, I know. Get in here fucking quick, man. The fire dicks are drunk as fuck. Letting off guns relentless.
Oh, shit. I could have died out there. 3 of those were meant for me.
See this?
No.
Like, just put your hand there like that. 40 amps. Hot.
Fuck sakes.
Oh, fuck. Shit, what the fuck? Oh, man, so many fucking people are coming today. This is fucking insane.
How's it going, sir?
Not too bad. How are you?
Not too bad.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Not too
Living the
bad.
dream. Just came to visit.
Oh, you want to smoke some cigarettes?
Smoke some cigarettes.
Oh my goodness. Right on. So we just had a house full today, so I'm terrible. It was just freaking crazy. The duck dick over. He's always good times. Had freaking visitors from freaking Mafberta and all type of shit. Did a couple undercurtains and then the undercurtain shit to bed. you see there's like a little flapner. Little flapner down in there. It goes up and down, this and that. Tore it all apart. There's like a broken dink right there. So we got a dink that looks like that. Then we got a dink with a broken one of them off it. And then spring, corrosion, some terrible, broken spring. So yeah, that's probably why one side didn't work. It would like make a gadong on one side and just a pss on the other side. And then it got stuck on the pss side and then no more pumpy. So anyways, I'm gonna call the pump manufacturer in the morning there and see if we can't locate a couple parts, this and that. I don't know. But yeah, worst case on terror, we're just getting El Sapini to fix it. Hey, mistake. But anyways, boys, it's just later as frig, and I gotta go to bed. So pre-stray valve and the finger fotchki, if you wouldn't mind, and a couple of inches for early week. But anyways, there you go, another dick apart. I'm done. Until tomorrow.
Don't the waters get you?